Guys, Bitcoin is in massive danger. I sadly have to tell you, within the last hour, we have seen a massive breakdown. We saw a massive rejection, not only from our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Guys, I told you, we need to get above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That's highly important. As you guys can see on the daily time frame, we so far yesterday and today are getting a clear rejection of that 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. On top of that, we have this massive upward sloping resistance here, and I can already tell you this massive upward sloping resistance is not just any resistance. This is actually the resistance of our massive bear flag that Bitcoin has been forming here on the daily time frame. And we broke that bear flag to the downside. We bounced off support. But what is happening now? We are actually seeing a rejection of the past support. And as you guys know, this is actually called a confirmed breakout as soon as we break below the old low point. Guys, $18,600, this is still the price level we need to keep an eye on. Nevertheless, let's take a look on the smaller time frames. Is it possible for the price to turn around, to find support? And is it possible that we will actually break these very relevant price levels of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement and our upward sloping past resistance of our bear flag? How likely is it that we are going to break that to the upside? Let me talk about that in today's video. Guys, sadly, I wanted to upload this video a lot sooner. I opened a short position, and I also have the on-chain data that perfectly showed us that most likely here above the $22,000 level, we will see a reversal. That's why I decided to actually take profits of my swing long, go here on my other Phemex account and open a short hedge position. But guys, I can already tell you this is a very risky trade. I am looking to put the stop loss in a profit. Most likely I will actually do it right now because I don't want to be exposed to any risk in these massive volatile times here for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the smaller time frames and find out what we definitely don't want to see now. For now, guys, we are clearly breaking out of this rising broadening wedge. The only thing is that this rising broadening wedge already broke out a little bit in the past, and this hourly candle, I mean, with 3 minutes and 50 seconds left, it's unlikely that it will get bought up again above support. We will actually see that most likely during this video. But what I can already tell you is that Bitcoin loves fake outs, especially right before we potentially break extremely important resistance or support, because then we can trap a lot of people, because it's a very important resistance that we are getting rejected of. A lot of people are going short, so it's a perfect trap opportunity. So now we just need to keep an eye what is going to happen with the next hourly candles. If we are actually seeing a rejection here of the previous support and we are breaking the old low point to the downside, guys, I can already tell you I will scale up my short position a little bit as long as it's not already closed again. Like I said, guys, I just placed my stop loss in profit. These volatile times, I don't want to take any risk with trades, and especially because this video was sadly uploaded too late on my German and my English channel, I wasn't able to share my trade up front with you guys how I normally do it. So I would suggest not maybe jumping into this short trade. Definitely wait if you want to do so. This is no financial advice. This is just what I would be doing if I would not be in a short position now already, since this on-chain data perfectly showed us, guys, BTC number of addresses sending to exchanges. We can see that all the time, as soon as the number of addresses sending Bitcoin to exchanges, right? So we know these addresses are sending these BTC to exchanges to sell them. Every time we see that, we most likely see the price top out. As you guys can see here, price starts to pump, number of addresses sending Bitcoin increases, boom, we see the high. And now, guys, we actually are seeing something similar. Bitcoin price is increasing. Now the number of addresses depositing Bitcoin in exchanges is increasing rapidly. So this again is now in a range where we normally saw a potential reversal. And this is what I wanted to talk about originally, opening a short because of a lot of resistance and this on-chain data. Now everything changed already. So now, guys, let's just keep an eye on this broadening wedge and find out if we see a confirmed breakout. Because if we see a confirmed breakout today, this day still has a lot of hours remaining. So with a confirmed breakout, we could fall much lower. And this would be the worst case actually for Bitcoin, especially if we leave this horizontal support and resistance behind us. If we see a break below the $21,200 level and our daily candle closes below that today, I mean, guys, I have to tell you, it's getting very, very dangerous again for Bitcoin. So let's just stay in our swing long positions. As you guys know, I still have my swing long positions open with a 3x. I'm not closing them right now, taking profits or anything like that. I only took some profits for our swing short position here that, as I said, I put my stop loss in a profit, guys. Sadly, I was not able with this massive aggressive dump to upload my videos fast enough. I actually had to open my trades before recording the video because we were dropping so quickly and I didn't want to miss out the opportunity that I wanted to talk about. But still, guys, as always, normally I will share my trade in the next video early enough, and besides that, if you guys really expect the price to dump lower, when we are seeing here rejection, this also depends. Are we seeing this rejection during today or tomorrow? This can also change a lot. That in the case that we are seeing this breakdown actually tomorrow, right? I mean, yeah, the price target of this rising broadening wedge is only the $21,000 level. So we would break below important daily support, but it has to happen at the end of the day, right? It would need to happen today. Otherwise, we are actually closing our daily candle above, as I just showed you. And we have a high potential of, even if we tomorrow break then to the downside, tomorrow it would easily be possible to see a massive dump, a massive wick, and then everything gets bought back up again. This is not possible if this happens during the day today, because then our daily candle will not have the time to get bought up again. So this will also make a big difference if the breakdown or the confirmation of the breakdown happens today or tomorrow. And especially, as always in crypto, guys, we are at a very important resistance. People are maybe expecting the price to break it. Other people are shorting this level aggressively, especially now when we are seeing here a massive bearish move for Bitcoin. I mean, a lot of people might also get trapped today and tomorrow within the next 24 hours. Maybe this is a massive short trap. That's why let's wait for the confirmation of the breakout, because now we are at way lower prices than the exact resistance where we originally planned to open our trades. But now we already fell below it. A retest is relatively likely, and if we now instantly maybe shoot back into this rising wedge, we can be sure that this might only be a fake out to trap a lot of bears to have enough steam to then break above the very important resistance area where a lot of liquidation and stop losses will be of short positions above that, and then we can really see an aggressive run maybe to the upside or aggressive run up continuation. But for now, guys, I think without a retest, I personally wouldn't open a short position. I would only open a short if we see a retest and then a break below the old low point. Other than that, I'm now staying on the sidelines with my swing long positions and the short position here where the stop loss is in a profit. But we still just need to be a little bit careful, guys. This is not completely confirmed yet, although the hourly candle now already closed below it for sure. But now, guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. As I already said, it's going to be a very short one. As always, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like. Let's reach 1,000 likes here on today's video again. I tried to keep the information again as short as possible. I know this video was a little bit longer, but it is interesting times. So sadly, I was not able to press the information of this video into a few minutes only. But I hope you still enjoyed it. Smash up a like. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below. And then we are going to see us in the next video, guys. Till then, bye.